Hi, Madam Nazreen. Today we are going to present about our assignment. The assignment about analysis our company financial statement. The company we are choosing for our assignment is Malayan Banking Berhad and known as also Maybank. The assignment scope for this assignment is develop ability to analyze and interpret financial statement. By this, we can understanding and know how to apply MFRS concept. The statement we are using for analyzing is statement of changes in equity, MFRS 101, cash flow statement, MFRS 107, and interim financial statement, MFRS 134. Okay, myself is Sri Rajeshwari. My teammates are Durga Ravi, Pauline Rachel, and Anshana Devi. Now I'm going to explain a small background of Maybank. Maybank has developed into a major player in financial industry by providing broad range of banking and financial services such as corporate and retail banking, investment banking, and Islamic banking, asset management, and insurance. Maybank has a strong commitment to corporate social responsibility, CSR, and sustainability. Maybank, also known as a well-known bank in Malaysia, is established on founded in 1960 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The founder of Maybank is Ko Chik Wat. The headquarters are stated in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The main market position of Maybank is largest bank in Malaysia and one of the Southeast Asia leading banks. This means the bank is well known in Southeast Asia. The presence is the Maybank is operating in over 18 countries, including key market in Asia, Great China, and Middle East. That means Maybank is well known in 18 countries. We can see also in the Asian and Great China and Middle East. Now I pass it to my other co-partner to explain her part.
Hi, madam. My name is Anshana Devi. I'm going to explain about equity. In the equity have the retaining earning growth from RM 4.6 billion June to RM 9.35 billion December. Second of profit contribute RM 4.75 billion. Dividend payment offset by profitability. Reason is the strong profitability dividend payout reward shareholders. Impact is strengthens financial flexibility and supports reinvestment. Second is other comprehensive income, debt instrument at fair value RM 1.12 billion June to RM 1.9 billion December. Foreign currency adjustment RM 2 billion December. Equity instrument RM 10.68 million June to RM 20 million December. Reason is gain in debt instrument, foreign exchange improvement, market value gain. Impact is enhanced book value and reflect asset value. Next slide. And third is share insurance. No new share issues. Stable and share capital. Reason no new share reliance on retaining earning. Impact preserve on ownership stake and avoid litigation. Financial stable indicate retaining earning sign profitability. Stable share capital avoid dilution. Enhance OIC in strengthness equity base. Key figure comparison, retained earning RM 4.6 billion June to RM 9.35 billion December. Debt instrument OIC RM 1.12 billion June to RM 1.9 billion on December. Equity instrument OIC RM 10.68 million June to RM 20 billion December. Foreign exchange rate adjustment RM 2.42 billion June to RM 2 billion December. That's from my part.
Okay, good morning, madam. Good evening, madam. Today, my name is Pauline. Today, I'm going to present the cash flow statement from Maybank Group of year-end December 31, 2023. We will analyze the cash flow in terms of operating, investing, and financing activities, highlighting significant inflow and outflow and their implication for the company financial health. Okay, let's start with the breaking down the cash flow. In our cash flow statement, we categorize the activities with the three main types. One, operating activities. This included the cash flow from the course of business and operation. Number 2 is investing activities. This section reflect the cash flow related to the acquisition and disposal of the long-term asset. Okay, number 3 is financing activity. Here we look at the cash flow from the transaction involving equity and the debt. Okay, now next focus to the significant in cash flow inflow. The first major inflow is from, next slide, please. Okay, now we focus on the significant in cash flow inflow. The first major inflow is from interest income, which totaled 30,230,550 ringgits, up to 21,608,927 ringgit last year. This increase indicated improved performance in leading activities, which translate to enhanced profitability and of bank. Second significant cash flow inflow is income from the dividend from the subsidies and associates, amounting to 3,534,284 ringgit. This reflect positive operation cash flow from our subsidiaries, boosting financial liquidity and supporting our operation. Next is we moving to the significant cash outflow. Next slide. Firstly, we have interest expenses, which increased significantly to 17,438,028 ringgit from 7,793,342 ringgit. This price suggests higher in borrowing costs to increase deposit rates, which could impact our profit margin if interest income does not keep on pace. Okay, secondly, we see the allowing in impairment loss rising to 1,826,221,002 ringgit from 2,182,735 ringgits. Increase in this implement provision may indicate more conservative credit risk management and prevental challenge in loan recovery. Okay, that's all for me. I'll pass to my partner.
Good evening, madam. My name is Durga. Today I'm going to present my part, which is interim financial statement. So the interim reporting meaning is financial results of any period that is shorter than a fiscal year. Fiscal year is the report year. Report we usually do for 1 year. So the interim report will be less than 1 year. Then the interim report can be half yearly, quarterly, and even monthly intervals. The objective for the interim financial reporting is to estimate annual earnings, to make projection, to identify turning points, to evaluate the management performance, to supplement the annual report. So for the Maybank that we have chosen as our company, this company usually do their interim report quarterly. Quarterly meaning 1 year have 4 quarters. So we have chosen to do this assignment is the fourth quarter, which is from October until December, October, November, December, 3 months, with the annual report, which is for 12 months. Now, I would like to compare the income statement of fourth quarter and also the financial year 31st December, the annual report. So for the first one, profit before taxation and zakat, as you can see in the last row, the profit before taxation and zakat for the fourth quarter, the first column is 2.95 billion, contributes 23.5% for the annual profit before taxation. The annual profit is 12.53 billion, and the net profit after the taxation, which is net profit, is 9.61 billion. As you can see here, 9.61 billion. This profit supports them to have a lot of shareholders and also stakeholders. When the profit is high, the stakeholders will do investment in Maybank. So their dividend also will be high. They expect to get paid dividend high. That's why the profit of a company is very important to make a decision for the investors. Then the second comparison in the income statement is total operating income. In the fourth quarter, 7.43 billion, which is you can see here, contributes 25.7% for the annual total operating income. The total operating income for the annual is 28.91 billion. As you can see here, 28.91 billion. This shows that the income should be higher than the expense. Then only we can get the profit. So the operating income for the Maybank is higher. So they have the profit quite high also because of this. The operating income, as you can see, they have they have income from Islamic banking scheme. They have interest expense minus with the interest income. So all of this income contributed the total operating income to be higher. Then the last one for the income statement I would like to compare is overhead expenses. In the fourth quarter, they have spent 3.62 billion for the overhead expenses. 6.2 billion for the overhead expenses. And approximately they contribute 27% for the annual report, which is 13.39 billion. This one shows they not exceed their budget. They control their budget like correctly in order to have a good profit for their company. Because we can see in December 2022 is less than 2023. So in 2023, they are performing a good profit for the company. Then I would like to move to the financial statement comparison. As we have chosen fourth quarter ends at December 2023. So the year end also ended at 2023 December. So the total assets will be the same. It reflecting the composition at the end of the quarter 4 represents the year-end total will be the same. So the total asset for the Maybank company is 1027.67 billion, which is we can see here the total asset for the 2023 report, which is they having a good asset like cash investment. So people are investing in their company, and people also deposit their money in the company, so they have good cash flow in the Maybank. Then loan to customers, total loan for the year 2023 is 6 to 8.92 billion. Loan to customer is they are providing loan to their customers. That's why many customers can go and apply loan at Maybank because their loan also quite increased from the last year. So they are approving many of the loans for their customer. Then only they can improve the company stability. Then the last one I would like to compare is deposits from customer. Customer are saving their money, which is their deposit their money in Maybank. That's the meaning. So in 2023, 670.36 billion, indicating strong deposit inflows in 2023, supporting Maybank's liquidity needs, meaning that Maybank have a lot of cash uh, to back up their processes, like they can give loan to their customers, use the deposit because they have the higher cash in their company, so they can manage their liquidity needs. Liquidity is we can convert the uh, asset quickly into cash. That's the meaning. That's all for my part for the comparison. Now I would like to move to implication for stakeholders. So for stakeholders, I have I would like to explain for four of the stakeholders. First is for shareholders. What is the implication for the shareholders? Maybank quarter four and 12-month performance enhance returns through stable profitability, and dividend payouts. Because their dividend is high, so the shareholders will get more dividends for the shares they hold. So that's what the shareholders will get. If the dividends are high, they get more money. Then the management, for the management, Maybank demonstrates successful strategic execution, boosting leadership credibility, and highlight efficient cost management. The management has the efficient cost management, so they can avoid spending a lot of expenses on unnecessary processes. Then for the customers, Maybank enhances customer confidence by improving product services and financial stability. Customers can use their services, products like ATM, like online banking. So these are the good implications for the customers. It's easing their lifestyle. Then the last one is employee. For employees, Maybank gives opportunity for professional growth through a stable and innovative employer. Employees working in digital services benefit from new roles and training security from long-term career prospect while contributing to bank growth. As we all know that we are interested to work in bank also. That's why government give us quite good incentives and good salary package for our career developments. That's what implication for the employees. Next, I pass to the next person.
Now I'm going to conclude our assignment. The Maybank Interim Financial Report for 2023 shows an excellent performance with the last quarter of the year, making a significant contribution to annual result by earning net profit of 9.61 billion in 2023. It shows the bank is profitable and can continue to make a significant profit even in the phases of economic difficulties. The fourth quarter's profit before tax made up like 23.5% of the total for the year. These are demonstrating Maybank's steady production of high profit, and the bank also ability to compete with its dividend payout policy was largely due to its excellent interest and operating income, with a net interest income of 12.79 billion and operational income of 28.91 billion in 2023. Maybank confirmed successful loan growth strategies and increased net interest margin. The bank's lowering expense is particularly remarkable in inflationary pressures. The remarkable result for the stakeholder demonstrates the bank's ability to produce a sustainable return for the shareholders with the dividend payout. Thanks to the management strategies of the bank institution, especially in the cost content and digital transformations, investors' confidence in are strengthened by the regulator and analysts, giving Maybank sustainable capital accurate and risk management. Overall, from the analysis we have done for this assignment, this indicates a positive outlook and solid performance for Maybank. That's all from us. Thank you, madam.